Welcome to Factory Outlet Trailers. If you're starting to think about race season or you have that special antique collector car that you want to haul around to shows, this is the ideal perfect trailer for you. An 8.5 by 20 Elcom Stealth trailer. It's got an extended tongue on there, so 44 inches of tongue is going to make it easier for turning around sharp corners. And again, this all aluminum integrated frame. From the bottom up, we've got a 4-year warranty on this trailer. If we walk down here, have a look at the sides, we've got a seamless bonded screwless side on here. That's going to make it really nice to keep this trailer clean and rust free. Torsion axles. When we come around the back, you're going to see a whole bunch of loaded features on this trailer. First of all, let's start with the canopy, lighted canopy on top. It's going to make it really nice to load this trailer in the night when you're loading your vehicles. Get inside here, we're going to see, first of all, if you've got a low built, you've got a car that's only 4 inches off the ground, these extended ramps are going to make it perfect for loading your vehicle into this car. TPO flooring, again, easy cleanup. It comes with the slide track for easy tie down. It's got 4 D-rings in here as well. Really nice feature again is these jacks, drop down jacks for loading your vehicle, but more importantly, it's got a elite escape door on it. And again, if you have a low vehicle, you're going to need to pop those fenders off, open up this elite escape door. It's going to make it really easy for you to get in and out of those cars, especially with a low clearance. So stop down at Factory Outlet Trailers and have a look at this fantastic car hauler and ask for Glen. Thanks.